Hey guys, for those who are new to my channel, I'm Liliana and this channel is all about me sharing my cake techniques. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this a beautiful buttercream smudged cake with a calla lily. If you guys want to learn how to make this, well, keep on watching. Also, if you haven't done it yet, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Without further ado, let's get to it. made this a beautiful cake, very simple to make. It's just you choose the color that you want and obviously the flour that you want. The flour that I used was synthetic. If you use real flours, again, I say it in many of my videos, make sure that the flour that you use is not toxic. And that's pretty much it. You just choose the color that you want and you spread it with your spatula and you have yourself a beautiful cake. Sometimes less is more, and this is the perfect example of less is more. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.